That my letter when she clap for him. That my letter when she clap for him. He love when I clap for him. Moving my ass.
What's up, everybody? It's McKenzi
and Reif,
and we're back with another dance tutorial. Today we are teaching Clap for Him by YungManny and Milli.
and if you guys don't know what this dance is, it's been trending a lot on TikTok, so if you guys want to learn it, you can learn it here and now.
Yeah,
Is that really cheesy?
a little, but I think it works. Let's get started. So we're gonna start off with our right arm forward and our left arm to our chest, and then we're gonna switch it and we're gonna do the opposite. Okay, when we do this move, we are going to be bringing your chest out and then in. Okay, so I'm going to face the front and Ruth's gonna face the side. Ready? 5, you're gonna go right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left. Okay, after you do right, left, you're gonna do the same chest and butt movement, except you're going to cross your arms like this, and then you're gonna cross them like this. And it's gonna go straight into it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Would you like to take the next part?
No. Okay. Okay, guys, you guys are gonna do a big circle, starting with your chest, and go boom. And when you guys hit your chest, it activates this body roll that McKenzie's gonna do right now. Ready? Ta-da! Yay! Okay, so after you guys do the big body roll with the circle with it, you guys then you go hit with your right arm, go 1, and that also activates a little head roll.
You gonna hit a wall with your elbow.
Yeah. It's almost like you're like punching someone with your elbow. Like
elbowing them.
Xoxo.
Ah, wait. I think you were actually gonna hit me. I was like, hold up.
Actually was, but you moved your head, so. Alright,
Wow.
so you guys are gonna go 1, that activates a little body roll with, not body roll, I meant head roll. And then after you guys do that, you guys are gonna do, what is this? What would you call this?
It's a roll around your hips, a swirl.
Yeah, you guys are kind of like
It's a hip roll.
Yeah, you guys kind of like showing off your hips, so like whoever's behind you, just show your butt to them. Like, ooh. Okay guys, we're gonna go from the top, but not the actual tippy top, the top from the part that I just taught you guys. And after we do that, we're gonna go from the tippy top and add everything in.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the tippity tip top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay guys, I think you guys have it now. So should we move on or should we do it one more time?
I think we should move on.
I think we should move on too. So we are moving on to the next part, which is the clap part.
So if you don't want to
We're gonna
clap
go-
these hands and you want to clap your booty cheeks, you guys can do that too.
What? You're gonna take your right hand and you're gonna smack it down on your left, then you're gonna smack it up on your left, then you're gonna turn to the other side, you're gonna take your right hand, you're gonna smack it down, and then you're gonna smack it up. Okay, so just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4.
So guys, after you guys do those 2 claps, you guys can go 1, 2,
Punch.
punch. Imagine you're punching your friend, just not with really good form. And guys, after you guys go punch, you guys are gonna go chest, King Kong, Donkey Kong, Godzilla. Oh, we both did that.
I know.
Twin telepathy.
Okay,
Guys, so after you guys go punch, King Kong, Donkey Kong, Godzilla, you guys are gonna
go hit.
yes, I knew that.
And then down. Since we have a new guest, we're gonna take it back just so make sure he got all the choreography down. Okay, let's go from the beginning.
I got it.
So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, new part, clap, hit, and down. Okay, should we do the last move?
I think we should.
Toby! Guys, this is the last move of the dance. It's the ultimate TikTok move of now 2021. So let's get into it. If you don't know this dance, then we're gonna teach it to you right now. Okay, so after we go hit, hit. You're gonna be swinging your arms open and your hips are going to twist. So you're gonna go hit, hit, and you're gonna twist and lean to your right side. So it's gonna go moving my something, and then you're gonna do that move. Moving my something da da da.
Okay guys, since we're done with this video, as you guys can tell, we're gonna go back in time and do a one-time slow, one-time tempo, and another time tempo, and then we're gonna do with music and like have some vibes and
yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swoosh, clapping. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Then last move. Hey. Okay guys, now it's time to do it. Tempo. We're gonna do tempo twice. Let's get set. There is a beginning part. It's gonna go. She gonna love the way I clap for it. Boom, boom.
5, 6, 7.
Love the way I boom, boom. Cat, cat, around. Boom, whoosh. Cat, 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 and down, whoosh. That was more like slow. We got to definitely speed it up a lot.
Yeah, that was like medium.
Yeah, that was like medium tempo. So now we're gonna do it. Tempo.
Ready?
5, 6, 7. Love the way boom, 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 boom. Cat, cat, whoosh. Cat, 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 goo, cat, goo. Hey. Okay, we are finished. And now it's time for music. Woo!
Now my letter when she clap on. Now my letter when she clap on. Now my letter when she clap on.
When I clap for 'em. Moving my ass in these platforms.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
If you guys like this kind of videos and want to see more of it, comment down below and give us some dance tutorials ideas.
Also, if you want to see previous ones we recorded, make sure you guys go to the link in our description for our playlist Danceatorials. And a huge shout out to Dancers Gallery providing us with this amazing space. We love you guys so much, and you guys are amazing. Mwah! Hugs and kisses. So if you're in the South Florida area, definitely come by and check out the studio. And that's all for today.
McKenzi
and Reif
out.
Woo!
Moving my ass in these platforms.
I messed up.
Reif, nobody cares about your muscle. Reif, love the way boom, 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 boom.
You did super fast. Just making sure my hair looks
Ready? I'm
good.
putting it on. Cake, cake,
No.
cake, cake, cake.
No.
Cake,
No.
cake. What is that? Reif, your hair is fine.
Just making sure, Mackenzie. You ready? Let's go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make my voice more. Ooh. That's good. Sorry, Garrison. I just want to make sure.
Reif, your hair looks fine. You have checked yourself out 3 times.
I'm not checking myself out. I'm fixing my hair.
Moving my ass in these platforms.
Cry, Toby! Cry! Ow! Stop!
She pushed me.
You literally tried to kill me! Yes, it's all on tape! Well, that's the end of this video. Cut.